Reading books on investing is one of the best ways to learn the principles of building wealth, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. Now, these books can help you understand different investment strategies, mindset, and risk management. So let's explore some of the best investment-related books to add to your reading list. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 must-read books on investing. First one, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's a timeless classic that teaches the principles of value investing, risk management, and how to make smart decisions in the stock market. Number 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. First book I ever read. This book focuses on financial education, the importance of investing in assets like real estate and businesses, and how to develop a mindset of wealth creation. Now, A Random Walk Down Wall Street is another good one by Burton G. Malkiel. I'll put everything in the description, by the way, so you have their spellings. This book is a comprehensive guide on various investment strategies, including stocks, bonds, real estate, with an emphasis on the benefits of diversification. You have also The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book advocates for low-cost, passive investing using index funds, offering practical advice for long-term investors. And you also have The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book shares the habits of wealthy individuals and how living below your means and making smart investments can lead to financial success. These books offer timeless wisdom, practical strategies, and mindset shifts that can really help you build your wealth through small investments and smart investments. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.